Hey guys, best low competition Fiverr gigs for beginners. Let's go. Guys, without further ado, I'm going to just show you just a few ideas of how to get the best low competition Fiverr gigs. Now look, if you look at my screen, look, if I type in graphic design, this is not something you should try to actually do. Look at it, it's got 21,664 services available. This is something so difficult to rank for. So this is not the kind of thing. This has got too much competition. This is what I'm trying to show you. This is way too much competition. Now I'm going to show you a few ones with low competition and also how to find low competition gigs, guys. So here's one. Look, remove background of photograph, guys. Look at this. When you type in remove background of photograph, this had 7,263 services. Believe me, that's not that much really. Obviously the lower the better, but it's way less, right? But this is one of the easiest gigs to do, guys. If you've never done anything like done something for Fiverr, then this is an entry level, something to do quickly. Look at this, guys. Look, this guy basically here you can see before and after. So all he does is remove the background for the image, and you get £4.35. This is 2 seconds to do, right? This is the easiest gig that you could do. And guys, I'll show you how to do that right now. So guys, look, I use Canva, and I think everybody really, most people use it for their designing. So if you want to try it out for free, check out the link in my description. But I'm going to show you very quickly how to remove a background just like that guy. It's the easiest thing ever, guys. So look, if I just go to one of my thumbnail, these are all my designs. I use Canva all the time for everything, right? Every single thing, guys. It's just the best for all my channels, all my designs. But look at this. I'm going to show you something just very quickly. I just want to open it up, and then I'm going to show you to do that gig. That £4.35 literally takes a few seconds, right? So I'm going to just go to uploads, go to one of my images that I'm going to find hopefully really quickly. So let me just go down the list. This is some of the things that I've got. So I'm going to go down the list very quickly. I need an image of myself, guys, really. Okay, I'm going to take that one. I'm going to just take that one, guys. This makes life easier for me. So look, guys, if I was to do that simple gig, check this out, guys. I got this, my image. I just want to get rid of the background, right? So click, edit image, go to background remover, and look what happens. So this guy is charging £4.35 just to do this, and it takes 2 seconds to do in Canva. Look at this. Amazing, guys. It's just like crazy. But that's how easy it is to make money on Fiverr. There you go. It's done. Literally done. So then download it, share it, download it, and then send it to the customer. And that's exactly what this guy did, right? So that's one. Now let's look at another one, guys. Look, another one, 1,065 services. That is a good one to do also. Like again, low competition, easy money, £4.35, £8, £10. You know, you could charge this much, and it's easy to do. And look at these. Look at that guy. Look at that thumbnail. It says attractive thumbnail, like YouTube thumbnails. Now if I go to Canva, look, these are some of the thumbnails that I've done, right? Now it's so easy. If you want to get a template and you want to do a thumbnail, again it's like a minute or two. So you could just type in thumbnails, right? YouTube thumbnails, right? It's gonna come up, YouTube thumbnails. Just click that. YouTube thumbnail templates, guys. Check this out. Easiest thing ever. So you could literally just have a look, get a few ideas, and then talk to the customer, see what kind of design they want to do, customize it up to them. Go to customize a template. Very simple, very easy. Change it up. Obviously, if you saw what I did very quickly, you could just, you know, move the image, get rid of the image, get another image, change the writing, you know. Great. Channel, do what you like, guys. It's the easiest thing, guys. There you go. And I can download it. Obviously I would make it better, but look, that's just two minutes, and that's your YouTube thumbnail. And then you could sell that on Fiverr. That's another easy gig to do, and the competition isn't too bad either. But guys, I would say like a really great way is to actually check out. If you click at the top, this is design. If you click at the top of these headings, right, what Fiverr is actually telling you is there's some new categories. So I would go to check out these new categories, right? Ad copy, development, writing advice, job descriptions. Go to programming and tech. Anything that says new will have something. Look at this, video advice. Video advice is like you can just be talking about videos. Look at the competition, guys. 270 services. That's nothing. Like you could easily rank your gig on this, and then it could be just anything. Look at this guy, the first guy. I will give you, oh, look at this, so easy. It's just a video review. I will give you feedback on your video. So basically just talking about the video. That's so easy, right? And he's charging a basic of £43.51, £87 and a premium of 130, just to give like 30 minutes of talking about somebody else's video. So guys, this is the easiest thing, guys, but like I said, check out the link in my description about how to actually create designs using Canva, because this website will help you amazingly, right? And to do anything really. And you know, Fiverr has a lot of like gigs like this where it requires Canva. So it really will help. But guys, look at this. This is how you find it. Go click on the tops of these and check out what's new. Social media videos, videographers. All of these are new with low competition, guys. Or like I've just showed you, you type something up in the description and just make sure that's something that you can do easily, simply, and has low competition, guys, right? Look at that. Low, it has to have low competition. It was very hard to rank or to actually, you know, get people to see your service if there's too much competition. So something like this graphic design one is way too much, guys, way too much, and sometimes it can be even more. So guys, hope you liked the video. Check out my playlist, because I do talk about Fiverr in so many different videos. I talk about how to get your first order, talk about how to get impressions and so on. So check it out in my playlist, and if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.